Hello, welcome to the clean room portion of the molecular anthropology labs. Where I am right now is that I'm standing at the far end of the labs, right with my back right against the door leading to the hallway. The first thing that you see is a long hallway, and you'll notice that on your right, the long hallway is punctuated by windows and then just two doors. Okay, so the reason for the hallway is that we need an initial entry area into clean rooms labs. So for example, when we get inventory or stock in, it can come right in here. We can go ahead and put it up on our shelves. We have a couple freezers for long-term storage of our DNA extracts or any other chemical reagents that come in that need -20-degree storage conditions. We have a printer and a computer for protocols, hand washing sink, and all other safety devices. So that's actually the hallway door right there. Each one of these suites, they're mirror images of each other. The only difference between the two is that one of them, this one in particular, has a biohazard hood in it that we use for forensic age samples or any other samples that we think might have some potential danger to the researcher. So each one of these suites is actually divided up into 4 rooms. So when you open this door, you walk into this one room that I just call the gowning area. This is where you come in and you put on your bunny suit and gloves and hood. And then you might go into one of these 3 rooms, and those 3 rooms are divided up by process. So I'll show you, each one of these rooms actually has a window out into this hallway. This one right here is used for sample prep. So actually, this one was just used by some of my students to do a DNA extraction, and you can see that our protocol is to tape the protocol sheets on the outside of the window so that you don't bring in possibly contaminated paper that is contaminated by human DNA, because obviously sort of touch it. We have UV lights in there, so they're on a timer right now, decontaminating the room after my students used it. And then everything else is sort of standard DNA equipment. The other 2 rooms are dedicated. One is dedicated to just the DNA extraction, right? Once the sample has been prepared, meaning it might have needed to been pulverized or something. And then the other one is dedicated to preparation for amplification. That is making lots of clonal copies of a target, of your genome target of your sample. Okay, so these are the clean room labs. And if I follow the hallway out, it takes you out onto the 5th floor.